Welcome back. A delegation of Bhartiya Janta Party will meet President of India Pratibha Patil to demand special investigation team to probe into illegal mining scam in Goa. Delegation constituting of National BJP President Nitin Gadkari, National Secretary Kirit Somaiya, Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar, State Party President Lakshmikant Parsekar and North Goa MP Shripad Naik will meet the President on 3rd November.
BJP spokesperson Rajendra Alekar addressed a press conference in Panji on Monday. He said that the delegation will highlight nexus between mining lobby and politicians of the present Congress government.
राष्ट्रपतींक वचून ह्या सगळ्या प्रकरणाची पूर्ण माहिती दिवप अशें आमी ठरयल्लें आसा आनी ही सगळी माहिती तांच्या समोर दवरल्या उपरांत सरकाराक आमी म्हणटले की हाजेर कितें तरी तुमी एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. खाण माफिया जे आसात, मायनिंग माफिया आणि पॉलिटिशियन्स हांगासरले कांय, खास करून आमच्या सत्ताधारी पक्षांतले, हांचो जो नेक्सस आसा हो आमी राष्ट्रपतींच्या समोर दवरपाचे आसात.
Alekar said the delegation will also demand appointment of special investigating team to probe into illegal mining scam. He said that there is no problem with the investigation by Justice Shah, but SIT has powers to act against the culprits. Shah Commission doesn't.
Shah Commission जे आशिल्लें तर तें कशें आसा, इट इज गोवा हो तातूंतलो एक पार्ट आसा, तांच्या अनेक राज्यांनी जें करपाचें आसा तें. आमचें जें म्हणणें आसा ती स्पेशल इन्वेस्टिगेटीव टीम जी आसा ती गोंयच्या ह्या खाण घोटाळ्या खातीर गोंयच्या खातीर आसची आनी तातूंत न्याय समजा सपोज आमचे हे आसात जजीस, रिटायर्ड जजीस समज आसात ते आसपाक जातात, रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर्स बऱ्या पद्दतीचे आसात, एक्सपर्ट्स तातूंतले जाणकार आसात, तांची टीम करची. क्रिमिनल गोश्टी हातूंतले आसात तातूंतले कोण पुलीस ऑफिसर्स रिटायर्ड आसात जाल्यार तांची घेवन करची, एक्झिस्टींग ऑफिसर्स आसात, पण हे सरकारान ठरोवचें आनी एक वेगळ्या पद्दतीची ही चौकशी जावपाक जाय अशी आमची मागणी आसा.
BJP has claimed that quantum of illegal mining scam is to the tune of 25,000 crore rupees. Our reporter Basuri Desai in Panji with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Village groups of Goa gherawed chief town and country planner on Monday. They questioned how the regional plan was notified without any assent of the panchayat authorities. Village groups of Goa have demanded immediate revocation of the notified regional plan 2021 within 30 days.
The village groups of Goa members met Chief Town Planner Putturaju and demanded quick revocation of Regional Plan 2021. They gherawed the Chief Town Planner on Monday. They asked only one question: why the plans were initially not sent to the Panchayat for approval before notification. Putturaju, however, after a lengthy discussion, agreed to look into the matter.
We'll be sending to all the one set to the Panchayat. I'll be holding the private printings which are there at the moment, so that the Panchayats can get, people can meet in their Panchayats, they can have their own Gram Sabha if they require, and then come to certain conclusions to react to the plans. If they have any errors or if they have got any suggestions to make to rectify any errors, they are welcome.
President of Village Group of Goa, Father John Pereira, has asked the villagers to demand for special Gram Sabha to discuss the notified regional plan.
जे दिसासान प्लान पावता पंचायतीन त्या दिसासान 30 दीस आसतले म्हणून हो प्लान रिव्यू करून लिस्ट करपाक तुमचे ऑब्जेक्शनां आनी चीफ टाउन प्लॅनराक दिवपाक. आतां मागीर आमकां सांगूंक नाका आमचो रस्तो वयता, आमची दुर्गा वयता, आमची घरां येता वयता. आतां तुमकां चान्स आहा आनी हो निमाणो चान्स लोकांक गोंयच्या ऑब्जेक्शन आहा जाल्यार रेज करपाक पंचायतीन. म्हणटच ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेयात आनी सरपंचाक सांगात की त्यांनी स्पेशल ग्राम सभा मागोवंक जाय म्हणून.
Our reporter Devidas Kamble with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Goa's Seamen Association of India has asked the state government to fulfill 5 of their demands immediately. They have threatened to protest on 19th December and observe the day as Black Day if their demands are not met within 15 days.
Goan seamen have been pressing for their demands from last many days. They have altogether 5 demands concerning the seamen community.
पहिलो एक्स ग्राशियाचो जो 200 आसा तो 500 केला म्हूण आमकां गमयलेलें की पास जाला. आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन इतलेंच मागलेलें की तुमी जाता तितलो प्रेशर घालून हें जाता तितलें बेगीन इम्प्लिमेंट करात म्हणून आमचे रिटायर्ड सिमेनांक एक तरी कसली स्कीम काडयात म्हणून कित्याक जायते जाणांक आमच्या गोव्हर्मेंटान काडल्यो आसात 40 वर्सांचे दुखून उपरांत रिटायर जावन तांकां मोठे मोठे पेन्शन मेळटा आमकां एक सेम रिटायरमेंट प्लॅन आनी हेल्थ प्लॅन कोण आमचे भुरगे काम करतात तांकां GSI आमी आतां कोणें आमचे कडेन तितलें कांय फंड ना कोणें हेणें दिलें तेणें दिलें ऑफीस घालता तेका आमकां एक ऑफीस घालूंक जागो दियात म्हणून आमच्या गोव्हर्मेंटान मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपींग ऑर जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ नुसी आमकां एक टेबलाचेर बसून उलोवंक बाबा हो अकस्मात तुमी 50% आशिल्लो तो तुमी 10% खंयच्या हिसाबान केलो.
Chairman of the association, Gabriel Pinto, said that government should allot land for the Seamen to build office, old age home with medical assistance.
जे Seamen आमचे गोंयचे उदरगतीन जेणी तांणी सांबाळल्या तांकां एक तरी बरोच रिक्रिएशन सेंटर बांदूंक ओल्ड एज होम बांदूंक एक ऑफीस घालूंक तुमच्यान एक 5-10 हजार जागो दिवंक जायना. This is another demand कित्याक this is totally against us. I feel it is against us.
They have also given a deadline of 15 days to the government or have threatened to protest on 19th December.
Suppose आमगेले डिमांड आहे ते फुलफिल जायना जाल्यार आमी 19 डिसेंबर व्हडलें धरना करतले लोया मैदानाचेर. We will be observing Black Day because we feel we are not yet liberated.
A reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Vijay Sardesai has requested CM to put the upcoming Goa Handicraft Mall project in Madgaon on hold. Vijay says drainage system and handicraft aspects of this project need to be put in place before moving ahead. We for Fatorda, headed by Vijay Sardesai, will back the Infinity and Beyond 2011 organized by Sachita Almeida and Nritya Sankul.
You cannot have a very gaudy looking construction which does not resemble the ethos of our culture. So I have spoken to the Chief Minister and requested him to keep the project on hold until two issues are resolved. One is the heritage aspect of this construction. Two is the drainage system has to be very foolproof. CM will be on the same page.
Vijay Sardesai's charity organization will support Infinity and Beyond 2011 to be held in Madgaon.
We for Fatorda, that I hate. We are supporting Sachika Almeida and Sankur in a program Infinity and Beyond 2011. This program that is going to be held at Anafont on 5th and 6th of November will be a program that will befit the celebrations of the 50 years of Goan liberation.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.